There, we are finally here in Montreal. There's the river, there's the bridges, there's Montreal over there. We finally reached. Now we're here. What a wonderful trip in Nova Scotia. It took us a long time, and but now we're here. We're here in Montreal, our final destination, and we just have to go into the baggage area and get our bags. And actually, they'll be transported onto our car, our train, and we just go into Toronto. But I will keep you guys posted. But we have arrived here in Montreal. There is Montreal. There is the island of Montreal. It's an island. There's the bridge that leads from Quebec to Montreal. And we are here. There it is. Just crossing the bridge right now over the waterway. And yeah, it's been a wonderful trip. But we're not done yet. We have to get to Toronto. So we have another 5 hours to go. But we have reached the end of almost the end of our trip, but we have one more place to go, Toronto, and we will be there. So that is the island of Montreal, right there. The meals on the train weren't that good, but everybody have their opinion. So you guys may like it, but it was so for us, but it wasn't the greatest. So. But the train ride was good. We had our beds, which is here in our little room. And now we're in Montreal now. Beautiful place. It's the island of Montreal. We're heading now into the train station. That's the bridge the cars are passing over. Cars are passing here, and that's the waterway over there, and we crossed the bridge already, so we're just going across this bridge into Montreal. Now we're actually officially in Montreal. There we go. Was a nice train ride, a nice journey. Hope you guys can enjoy it also. We will keep you posted when we get into Toronto. It's another Via Rail train. It's coming in also from both directions. That's one and we are one. Into the island of Montreal. And this is the train yard. Nice hot sunny day in Montreal. Okay, so we're here. So we keep you guys posted again. Okay, peace out.